The problem in Australia is that when you create a fantastic garden, who's going to look after it when you're too old to do it? And that's a problem with houses. The property is sold for real estate for the children, bless them, but nothing's preserved. So we decided that we wanted the house and the garden at Heronswood to be preserved for all time. And so at least 20 years ago, we thought that we would set up this foundation. And frankly, we've lived in this house really as caretakers rather than thinking we're owners. We also have a garden that we're preserving up at Blackwood called the Garden of St Earth. It's set in a wonderful miners' town of Simmons Reef of about 12,000 people, and it has a fantastic orchard. It also grows its own food at the cafe, and at those two gardens we can give a much broader selection for people right round the country, from people who live to the coast as well as from people who live in colder, wetter climates with a better climate for growing English plants. Most of the plants that Australians are growing come straight from California or from Holland. We've scanned the world for the best vegetables and the best flowers, and we've trialled them extensively here in our gardens and our trial gardens to make sure that the best plants are preserved for all time. So that's part of the function of the foundation, not just to protect houses and gardens, but also our best plants, and make sure that in the future, which is going to get hotter and drier, we've got the best plants to do it. New, it does not necessarily mean improved, and that's one of the focuses of the foundation, to preserve the best of the past. So now these are in the Diggers Foundation and preserved for all time. We hope you'll come and visit. We hope you might join the club, and if you can support us in our preservation of both seeds, gardens and plants, then you'll be helping us maintain our vision. Thank you so much.